जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ काशिफ शहजाद and you're watching IELTS with Kashif from the platform of Barful Educational Services। आपकी खिदमत में डिफरेंट इंटरव्यूज़ पेश करते हैं हम इसलिए कि आप उससे सीख सकें कि IELTS स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू कैसा होता है, उसमें एग्जामिनर क्या देखता है, उसमें बैंड्स इंक्रीज़ क्यों नहीं होते या अगर बैंड्स ड्रॉप होते हैं तो वो क्यों होते हैं। सिर्फ इसी इंटेंशन के साथ हम मुख्तलिफ स्टूडेंट्स के इंटरव्यूज़ रिकॉर्ड करते हैं। आज टुडे आई हैव अ स्टूडेंट हु इज़ वेरी गुड इन इंग्लिश, शी इज़ फ्लुएंट। मिस्टेक्स तो होती हैं कई जगह पे, लेकिन आई जस्ट वांटेड टू प्रेजेंट यू अ मॉक इंटरव्यू ऑफ IELTS स्पीकिंग। कि IELTS स्पीकिंग क्या होता है, अगेन टू रिपीट कि उसके 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं। फर्स्ट पार्ट में इंट्रोडक्शन होता है, सेकंड में क्यू कार्ड होता है और थर्ड में डिस्कशन रिगार्डिंग दैट क्यू कार्ड होती है। तो हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप उसी प्रोसेस से गुजरेंगे। आपके सामने हम इंटरव्यू को पेश करते हैं। चलें, यू विल प्रोसीड विद द IELTS स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू। हाउ इज इट, हाउ व्हाट एग्जामिनर checks and how it is marked. We'll start from Ms. Rubab. Ms. Rubab, thank you for spending some time for us. How are you?
I'm fine. How
Can
are
you please introduce yourself?
Of course, my name is Rubab Zara, and I am from Gujarat, and I'm now in Barful Academy for IELTS preparation.
And why are you doing IELTS preparation?
Because it's a main part of the IELTS spouse visa A1, so it's a basic requirement of it.
And Ms. Rubab, can you please tell us something about your education?
I got my matriculation from Bahawal Public High School and got my intermediate degree from PGC College, and then take the admission in University of Gujarat.
What do you say about our typical educational system? Is it benefiting the student or not?
It depends according to the institution. I got admission in Punjab group of colleges, and it is a very good institution. It gives also confidence to the students to attract to the the society of the environment. So it depends according to institutions.
Can you tell us something about your hobbies?
Yes, my hobby is cooking. I like to cook. I'm also impressed with the reels that also come on the Instagram, so I make that when I have spare time.
All right, let's talk about some restaurants. What is your favorite restaurant? Which one is?
My favorite restaurant is Spice Orchard because there are many. Their menu is very good. They have all type of foods like continental, Thai, Chinese, and desi also. I prefer most Chinese food, and they deliver very delicious Chinese food.
Why
there.
Chinese is your favorite food?
Because it contains less masalas and they are not that spicy. I don't like spicy food, and it also don't have bad impact on our
Can you
health.
cook Chinese yourself?
Yes, I cook a lot of things.
What are some
Chinese.
dishes you can name those which you can cook easily?
I love chow mein, and I also cook it in the house by my own self by myself, and I also like fried rice, and there are many kind of like soup. Soup is also very good in summer.
Mr. Bob, what type of weather do you like?
I like winters
Why?
because I feel free. I don't like summers because I don't like hot weather.
All right. Any beautiful place you like to visit or you have visited? Your favorite place for any place you have visited or you like to visit in your country or outside the country?
We went to the trip with our college at Mumbai, and it was a very beautiful weather there. Of course, there was a snow falling there, and I said that I like winter weather. We were with our friends, and with friends, all things.
Some
become
people
very
say
good.
it's not a good place to visit now. Do you agree?
Now I know I don't think so because if you are with your family or if you are with the institution, they will protect you in every way.
All right, we'll move towards part 2, in which you will have a cue card. You will have 1 minute to think about it, and then you can make notes during that 1 minute. Then you'll have to speak for a couple of minutes in that. You'll have to tell me about an advertisement which persuaded you to buy something, and you have 1 minute to make notes on it, and then you'll have to speak for a couple of minutes. Your time starts now. All right, you can start speaking now.
Well, the topic is advertisement and the product that persuaded me to buy that particular product. I will talk about the advertisement first. That what is it? Advertisement, you can say that it's a paid sponsored to buy that particular product given by the TV channels. Advertisement can be shown in the TV channels, radios, etc. They make the advertisements, paid advertisements to promote the particular product, and they show the product in a different interested way to buy that product to the viewers that are watching TV or radio or some kind of other media. Well, advertisements should be attractive so that the people who are watching that attracted to that product, and people of the companies also use the famous celebrities that are famous to the people, to use in the advertisement to promote that product. Well, the people got influenced by that product, so because they want to influence by that celebrity or attain that lifestyle of that celebrity, so that they buy that product. Well, I was suffering from my skin problem from last 2 weeks, and I was very, very worried about it. So I was also finding something that makes my skin better, because it was becoming very dry. So I saw that advertisement of a face wash on TV, and it persuaded me just because the basic thing of that advertisement was it was a Pakistani based product, and I feel very attracted to it. I decided to buy that product. Furthermore, it was a Pakistani product, so we should promote our Pakistani products. I bought that product online, and it was also I used that. It was very good. Other thing is that advertisement should be attractive, or advertisement. I am not in the. I'm not in the. I'm not in the support of all kind of advertisements, but we got also experience by that particular by buying that
All right,
particular
we'll have a
products.
discussion regarding that cue card.
Okay.
There are a lot of advertisements now as compared to the past. Like you scroll social media, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. What do you think? Is it a good thing or it's a negative thing?
Well, it's a good thing. There are many kind of advertisements. If you are finding something and the thing related come to that Instagram reel or social media, you should check the followers of it. You should check the comments, feedbacks of that, so you can buy that product.
So isn't it? Some people say it's very risky to buy something online from any website. Do you agree with that?
Sometimes I agree, because some people also scam the people, other people. But as I said, that you should check the feedback of that particular product, so you can buy that
But
product.
what if the feedback is also fake, or somebody has just done it in a negative way? How can you avoid that scam if you shop online?
I think we should shop from the authentic place, or in cases I also prefer some local shopping, not
Do
online
you
shopping.
prefer shopping online, or do you like to go to supermarket and see things and then buy?
I like to shop local, just because I want to touch that product, or I want to see it with my eyes, so that I can buy that. But some products are not available at nearby stores or nearby places, so I bought that online. But we should have to be careful about it.
To what extent the advertisement pushes you to buy that thing, like whenever you see some advertisement on mobile or TV, so to what extent do you run that I should buy that thing, or no, I should not buy that thing? Can you explain a little bit about it?
I think the content they put before us is attractive, as I said that the advertisement should be attractive to the people, or that they put the celebrities that the people are more influenced by, that persuaded the people to buy that product. As like me, I also prefer that the advertisement should be attractive and should be the not useless, not should be not useless if it's shown in the TV or if it's shown in the mobile phone.
All right, that is the end of the interview. Ladies and gentlemen, this was an IELTS speaking interview, and as you witness that how well she spoke in interview, and I would say that is potentially a 7 band interview, because the flow you do, the ideas which you develop during your conversation, and less fillers you use, like actually, basically, or the pauses you take while speaking. And I wish her very good luck for her exams, and this is a mock test for you people, just to see that how 7 band interview looks like your first part, your second part, and the third part, in which you had discussion with examiner. So that is the end of this video as well. आप अपने कमेंट्स करके ज़रूर बताइएगा कि ये इंटरव्यू आपको कैसा लगा, इसमें आपको क्या लगता है कि कितने बैंड आ सकते हैं। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक करें। आइल्स विद काशिफ में इतना ही। इंशाल्लाह अगली वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होंगे। तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।